Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to delete ChatGPT photo history. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to a library right here, and then you'll be able to see all the images right here in the Images tab. Now, if you don't have this option, well, just click on your profile, click on Settings. Now, go ahead over to Storage, click on Images, and then you'll be landed to the same exact page. Now, if you want to delete all of your photo history, you can just go ahead and hover over name right here, okay? And then there will be a checkbox that will pop up. Click on it and everything will be selected. If you want to unselect one, just click on the check mark besides it and it will be kept, okay? And finally, all you got to do is just click on delete right here and there will be a prompt. This will be moved to recently deleted and deleted permanently after 30 days. So do keep that in mind. Once done, if you're sure, click on delete. And depending on how much image right here that you have, okay, it will take some time. As you can see here, deleting only one image can take up to maybe 30 seconds, 20, 10, depending on your internet as well. So that's how simple it is to delete ChatGPT photo history. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.